Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Application. Today, my topic is about partnership. What is a partnership? Partnership is a kind of business where a formal agreement between two or more people is made to agree to be a co-owners and distribute the responsibilities for running the organization and share the income or losses that are businesses generated during their business activities. Partnership firm plays a very important role in a general partnership deal. So, the partner is a person who is appointed with knowingly and with willingness. A partnership is a kind of a business. In India, all aspects and the functions of the partnerships are administered under the Indian Partnership Act 1932. This specific law explains that partnership in an association between two or more individuals or parties who have accepted to share the profits generated from the business under the supervision of all the members or on behalf of the another members. So the partnership, according to the Partnership Act, so all the terms and conditions are mentioned. Let us see some of the features of the partnerships. So, agreement between the partners. It is an association of two or more individuals, and partnerships arises from an agreement or a contract. The agreement becomes the basic association between the partners. Such an agreement is in a written form. An oral agreement is even enhanceable under the partnership legislation. Two or more parties, in order to maintain a relationship or the partnership act, there should be at least two members of the parties. To put into the other words, the minimal number of the partners are entitled, it is a two, and sharing the profits. Another significant component of the partnership is it is between the partners has to share gains and losses of for a trading concern. However, the definition held in the Partnership Act is nothing but partnership as an association between the people who have consent to share the gains of the businesses, the sharing the loss on the basis of their profits. So this concern is basically about sharing the profits and losses. What is business motive? It is important for the firm to carry some kind of business and should have a profit gaining motives. So mutual business, the partnership are the owners as well as the agents of their firm. Any act performed by one partner can affect other partners, and the firm it can be concluded that this point act as a test of the partnership for all the partners. Next, about the unlimited liability. Every partner is in a partnership as a unlimited liability. Types of We have different types of partnership. The partnership is divided into the different types, depends on the state and where the business operates. Here the some of the general aspects of the three most common types of the partnership: general partnership, then limited partnership, then limited liability partnerships. When this is associated, different types of the partners. The general partnerships is all about the general partnership companies or two or more owners are run the businesses. This is kind of the general partnerships. And then in the partnership, a limited partnership includes the both general and the limited partners. General partners has a unlimited liabilities, manages the business, and the other limited partners. And limited liability partners. In limited liability partners, all the partners have limited liability. Each partners is regarded as a limited by their liability. In detail about the types of partnership, we'll discuss in another video. So it's a formal agreement by a two or more parties. This is just introduction about the partnership. Thank you.